Welcome. In today's video, we'll be diving into a fantastic new update on the Messenger app for PC that allows you to selectively unmute video calls from specific friends. If you've been missing calls from certain contacts while still wanting your notifications uninterrupted, this feature is going to be a game changer for you. We're going to walk you through the simple steps to unmute these calls, ensuring you stay connected with the people who matter most to you. First, you'll want to open the Messenger app on your computer. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're in, you'll be accessing your chat history with a specific friend you want to hear more from. Scroll through your chats and find the conversation with that person. The next step is to click on the three dots located at the top of the chat. This will bring up a menu filled with options for managing your chat settings. It's crucial to pay attention here, because this will lead you to the ability to unmute. Finally, when the menu pops up, you'll see the option to unmute notifications. Go ahead and click on Unmute. After you complete these steps, you'll be back in the loop and ready to receive those video calls without a hitch. And that's it. Now you have the power to control your notifications and video calls. Remember, staying connected with friends has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Messenger and other apps.